We got 2 heavily weighted flies. I need to be prepared here. Yep. Fish on! Oh yeah, he feels heavy. Oh, what are you doing?
Going for the rock.
No.
Going right against that rock there.
Holy shit. Smart fish. Oh, yeah.
Oh, chase him too. Yeah, it's a big bow.
Oh.
Big.
He knows right where to go. Dang, what a smart fish. Think you can net him for me?
Yeah. Where are you traveling?
Right to you.
Where I am right now?
Yeah.
Big banana.
Yep. Like really big. I'm gonna try to steer him right into you. The line's high, so you're good. Wow, that is a really large brown. Right to you. Oh, dude. Oh, whoa.
I'll get a bigger 20 in the top.
Oh my God. Can you lift him up a little? Oh, look at that fish. Wow. Look at this brown. Look at this brown. Oh, wow. High five, bro.